So now that you have gone through several skills and are beginning to work with students with prefixes and suffixes, this is where those spelling rules will come into play. So, this is probably the easiest spelling rule in my mind out of the three because it is drop the E. So many students know this as drop the E when adding ED. It's a lot more extensive than that. It is drop the E when adding any vowel suffix. So you, just like before, you need to keep the rules really short, sweet, and to the point. Usually I say vowel suffix, drop the E, consonant, you keep it. And you really do need to practice with vowel and consonant suffixes just so that your students don't feel like, oh, I drop it, I drop it, I drop it, and they just start dropping it all the time. If you look in your salmon card deck on card 39, your rule says silent E spelling rule, and it says tame plus equals tamer. And that's really about explaining to your student, is this a silent E word? Is this a vowel suffix? How do you know it's a vowel suffix? It starts with a vowel. What am I going to do? I'm going to drop the E. And just like all of your other cards, the rules are on the back. There is no trace copy cover for this rule though, because there's not really anything to trace. Instead, I would show students a few things. Maybe what I would do is do break plus ing. Okay, is this a silent E word? Is this a vowel suffix? What am I going to do? Okay, this is your new word. Lays, is that a silent E word? Yes. Is that a vowel suffix? How do you know? Because it's not at the beginning. And then drop the E. But look what happens with save. If you don't drop that E, you get something really weird like saved. And same thing with like plus ing. You get something really bizarre looking like aying or something. But on the bottom, I also have some non-examples for students. So I might say, okay, the word is like, is that a silent E? Okay, is it a vowel suffix? No, then just stick it on. Complete, is that a silent E at the end? Yes, it is. Is that a vowel suffix? No, it's not. So you're not going to drop anything. You just put on the suffix. So I have students actually read words where the E has been dropped or not. So they might look at likely and I might say, yeah, is that a silent E word? Okay, how come you didn't drop it? And if you did drop it, what might it say? Lickly. Okay, then it wouldn't be spelled right. How come? What would the spelling need to be and why? For spelling purposes, I definitely start at the beginning of this introduction of this rule by asking them to spell the base, raise. Now write the suffix in the past, the one that means in the past, raised. Okay, now what are you going to do? Okay, now write the whole word. And I do that for the first couple of times just because you don't want them to truncate the word, but also because it's a lot to hold on to in their working memory. And then once they have had a little bit of practice, then I can say, okay, write the word baker, write the word, cuter without going through all of the steps. So good luck to you on that one.